Can we solve this competitive exam math question? This looks complex, but it's actually very simple. So let's do this together. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are asked to find the value of x if 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x minus 4 minus 7 to the power of 3. Okay, first things first, this is going to be a hindrance, a big one for us. Before we can enter this particular bracket, we need to remove this gatekeeper. Let me call it a gatekeeper. So we need to remove the gatekeeper from the gate so that we can open the gate, right? Now to remove the gatekeeper, we need to multiply by the inverse of this, which is 8. So we are going to raise this to the power of 8 and raise this to the power of 8 as well. So raise both sides to the power of 8. Okay? So we now have 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x minus 4 minus 7 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 8 raised to the power of 8. Okay? Is equal to 7 raised to the power of 8. Now remember that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So what that means is we can multiply this by this, and therefore this will remove this, right? So we are now left with 7 to the power of 15. That way we can now enter. The gate is open, right? Divided by 7 to the power of x minus 4 minus 7 to the power of 3, okay, is equal to 7 to the power of 8. Now, we have access to this place. We can actually find our x. Okay, let's apply our laws of exponents. The first law that we are going to apply states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay? All right. Now let's see how we can do that here. But before that, let us cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have 7 to the power of 8 brackets 7 to the power of x minus 4 minus 7 to the power of 3. Okay, this will be over 1, right? Okay, so this will be equal to this minus this. 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x. Okay, now at this point, it's time to express this in terms of this, just like I explained. So I will have 7 to the power of 8 brackets. So this can be expressed as 7 to the power of, okay, before that, that's going to make everything complex. Let's open this bracket first. So 7 to the power of 8 multiplied by this. 7 to the power of 8 multiplied by 7 to the power of x minus 4. And this multiplied by this. So minus 7 to the power of 8 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x. Okay, so when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, you can actually put that in this form, a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so that means you can write this as 7 to the power of 8 plus this numerator, x minus 4, then minus 7 to the power of 8 plus 3 is equal to 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x. Okay, it's time to clean some things here. All right, now solving further, we have, this is what we have now. So it's going to be 7 to the power of 8 minus 4 is 4, okay, plus x. Then minus 7 to the power of 8 plus 3 is 11 is equal to 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Check on us at your convenience. We must see something new for you to watch by God's grace. Okay? Thank you very much. So, this is what we have. Let us transfer this minus 7 to the power of x to this side. Okay? So if we do that, we have 7 to the power of 4 plus x. Then this will be transferred to become plus 7 to the power of x. Then minus 7 to the power of 11 is equal to 7 to the power of 15. Okay? So everything in terms of x, I want them to be on one side and the other one to be on the other side. So let's transfer this to the other side. So we have 7 to the power of 4 plus x plus 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 15. Then this will cross to become plus 7 to the power of 11. Alright, now we can expand this using the multiplication law that I explained. A to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Therefore, we have 7 to the power of 4 plus x, which can be written as 7 to the power of 4 multiplied by 7 to the power of x. Then plus 7 to the power of x is equal to, now here we have 7 to the power of 15 plus 7 to the power of 11, right? Okay, so if you look at this, you see that we have 7 to the power of x here and 7 to the power of x here. So we can actually factorize. So we bring out 7 to the power of x. When this is divided by this will remain. When this is divided by itself, 1 will remain. Is equal to, remember that 15 is same thing as 11 plus 4. Okay? So permit me to write this as 7 to the power of 11 plus 4 plus 7 to the power of 11. So I actually want to factorize that out. So we have 7 to the power of x bracket 7 to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to, this will be 7 to the power of 11 multiplied by 7 to the power of 4 plus 7 to the power of 11. Okay, using this law as well. So we have 7 to the power of x bracket 7 to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to, now let's factorize 7 to the power of 11 out. So you have 7 to the power of 11 bracket 7 to the power of 4 plus 1. Okay, so we have the same thing here and here. Dividing both sides by 7 to the power of 4 plus 1. Now, where we proved that the answer we got is correct is the most interesting aspect of this video. Please do not miss that. Okay, so watch to the end and see how we proved that the answer we got is correct. So dividing both sides by 7 to the power of 4 plus 1, we are going to have 7 to the power of x bracket 7 to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 7 to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to 7 to the power of 11 bracket 7 to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 7 to the power of 4 plus 1. So this we remove this we remove this. Whew, we're almost there. Almost. So we have 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 11. Remember that if a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, it simply means that m is equal to n. So if we compare this to this, so this implies that x is equal to 11. Now it's time to prove that the answer we got is correct. So let's do that. First, we have 7 to the power of 15 minus 7 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x minus 4 minus 7 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 8 is equal to 7. Now let's substitute. Okay, instead of repeating myself, let me just substitute. So our x is 11. Our x is 11. Now is this equal to 7? We need to apply wisdom here. So in order to factorize 11 from here, we need to write 15 as 4 plus 11, just like we did the other time. So I have 7 to the power of 11 plus 4 minus 7 to the power of 11 divided by 7 to the power of 8, because 11 minus 4 is, 7. Okay, minus, no, I don't know, yeah, minus 7 to the power of 3. I'm trying to figure out how to factorize the same thing here and here. Okay, now raised to the power of 1 over 8 is equal to 7. We are still not sure. So let's rewrite this as 7 to the power of 11 multiplied by 7 to the power of 4 minus 7 to the power of 11 divided by 7 to the power of, I can bring 3 from 7. That would be 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 minus 7 to the power of 3. Now is this, everything raised to the power of 1 over 8. Now is this actually equal to 7? So if we solve further, we will have, let's factorize 7 to the power of 11 from the numerator. And for the denominator, we still need to work on it. So we factorize 7 to the power of 11 from the numerator. So 7 to the power of 11, open bracket, 7 to the power of 4 minus 1, right? Divided by, now here we have 7 to the power of 4 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3. Now everything raised to the power of 1 over 8. Is this equal to 7? Now we have 7 to the power of 11 bracket 7 to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by, here we'll bring out 7 to the power of 3 since they share it together. So you have 7 to the power of 3 bracket. We have 7 to the power of 4 will remain when this is divided by this, minus this divided by itself is 1. Everything raised to the power of 1 over 8. Now is this equal to 7? So we can divide this by this. And when we do that, we will have 7 to the power of 11 divided by 7 to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 8. Is this equal to 7? So solving further, remember that if a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, note that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, we can write this as 7 to the power of 11 minus 3 for this, raised to the power of 1 over 8. Now, is this equal to 7? So we have 7 to the power of 8 raised to the power of 1 over 8. Is this equal to 7? Now I think it's obvious, right? Because this is same thing as this multiplied by this. Okay, so this will multiply this, we have that 7 is equal to 7. And that is the answer. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.